Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the month of December for all the people born on the 1st, the 10th, the 19th or the 28th of any month. So we are going to do reading I think a little differently this month. I'm going to pull out two oracle cards as a theme and as a guideline for the upcoming month. So the first card that I have for all these people is Matsya. So this is the fish avatar of God Vishnu, and let's look at the blessings that you have coming. So you are going to have protection against natural disasters. So I don't know, if somebody is from the south of India and you're watching this, possibly with the the cyclone that you are going to be safe. There's also security for seafarers and travelers. So a lot of people with this date of birth, 1st and 19th or 28th, if you're traveling, you are going to be safe. And also there's preserving ancient traditions and knowledge. That means this month, especially people who are spiritual, you could be having some kind of growth, you could be growing in your life, especially spiritual side. That means the mantra of this month would actually be to worship Lord Vishnu, the Matsya avatar of Lord Vishnu. The another card I have for you is the promise of the future, which means a lot of good things are coming. And with number 8, your future seems bright. Things seem very, very bright for you, especially in December. Good things are going to come your way. You can actually see the sunshine. You can actually see, the way things are going to proceed in December. And with the promise of future showing up, it actually means that you are actually going to be supported by the divine. You're going to be supported, by God, or whoever, the Holy Spirit, or the universe. And the universe is going to be there for you. The universe is going to be watching you. So that is a good thing. Now let's pull out our tarot for a general reading or finance or love reading. Let's see whatever shows up for the month of December. So the first card I have for you is the Knight of Ariel. There is so much to accomplish. Make a very detailed plan, being watched over by someone kind. See, remember the synchronicity. I told you, that you are being watched. Somebody is watching you. And with the Knight of Ariel, which is the Knight of Pentacles, that means somebody is there. Especially, if you guys have been going through, financial distress, financial troubles, good things are going to happen to you. Good things are coming your way. Things are going to be absolutely great for you. But the growth is slow. As you see, the horse is standing still, right? So for you, especially, when it comes to finances, things are going to be slow, but things are going to be good, which is why it's telling you, it's a good time to start investing. So if you guys are not investing and that is something you want to do, well, this card showing up is basically an indication that you guys need to start thinking about long-term investments. The next card I have for you is the King of Raphael, which says, yes, it is safe to trust the ability to accomplish many things at once. Follow your creative passion. See, I told you, for a lot of people, there's going to be protection. There's going to be, you starting new things, you beginning new things, you moving on to new things, and then you are being blessed by the divine. So the divine is there, the universe is there, the spirit is there to bless you with whatever is going to happen in your life in the future. And these cards are good. At the same time, with the King of Raphael showing up and the Knight of, this is Knight of Pentacles showing up, you are looking at, possibly a person in your life that you could go to for, advice. Somebody who's trustworthy, somebody who's an earth sign. And at the same time, with King of Raphael, we're talking about a water sign, could actually play a significant role in your life in the month of December. The next card I have for you is the Page of Michael, an exciting new challenge. You have what it takes to succeed. Review contracts or documents very thoroughly. See, I told you, a lot of you are going to be investing this month. A lot of you are going to be, doing something new, or maybe you're going to sign up few documents for starting something new. Especially people who have been looking for a job, there are chances of you starting something new, which kind of goes with your number, which is number 1. It's a number of growth, it's a number of new start. So pay attention to whatever you sign. Be analytical in your approach. And because I'm getting a lot of quote cards, what it's also telling me is that a lot of you guys are actually either going to become more mature, or you guys are going to be a little immature this month. So it could go both the ways. The next card I have for you is the Five of Gabriel, a challenge you can resolve. Withdraw from the drama of others, have patience. with yourself and those around you. So you are going to be dealing with a lot of new beginnings, you are going to be dealing with a lot of new people. So when a lot of code cards shows up, it tells you, you are going to be dealing with a lot of people, and especially because it is December, there is a possibility that you guys might actually be attending a couple of parties, there could be a couple of get-togethers. And that's what you have to be sort of aware of, that you have to have patience, you have to kind of withdraw from the drama. So if things have not been going on great in your life, kind of withdraw from the drama of people. The next card I have for you is the King of Ariel. Your plans are working out very well. Professional and financial success. Use resources wisely. What I said, a lot of people are going to be signing contracts. A lot of people are going to be, joining new jobs. Or you could be starting your own business, and you actually have the creative kind of spark within you this month. So it's actually going to turn out to be pretty positive for you, especially from the work perspective, especially from a finance perspective. Things look really, really great. The next card I have for you is the Knight of Raphael. Committed romantic relationships, being swept off your feet, situations or topics that make your heart flutter. So again, a lot of new beginnings, a lot of new starts. Seems like December is the month you guys have been waiting for, the entire year, where you wanted new things, you wanted a new start. And I have a lot of code cards. It's like, all the code cards have showed up in this reading. You guys are going to be meeting a lot of suitors. You guys, especially people who are waiting to get married, or who are waiting for a love interest, you are going to have a lot of people to choose from, because you are going to be very social, you're going to be attending a lot of events. The next card I have for you is the Five of Ariel. You needn't go through your current challenges alone. Help is nearby. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecy. So because you guys have so much going on, especially with the King of Raphael showing up and telling you to follow your creative passions, I think sometime during the month you are going to feel like that, maybe whatever you are doing is not enough. You will feel lonely, and you will feel, especially with the card itself, it's, you can see snow, you can see how chilly it is. You might feel that you are lonely, but because that one thought, if your thought loss lasts for like 17 seconds, it has the potential to become real. So that's why we kind of always tell you, think positive, think about all the good things that can happen to you. So this card showing up is that you have a lot of people that you could go out for help. And you shouldn't feel alone if you are having financial difficulties. If you have been having a stagnation, things are going to move forward, things are going to move ahead. Especially people who are worried about their spiritual journey, I see you guys making good progress, you guys making amazing progress. For some of you, I also see travel. So you could be traveling. It could either be a local travel to the next town, or it could be to a different country. But I do see travel for a lot of people, because a lot of knights have showed up, and there's a lot of horses in this reading. The next card I have for you is the Ten of Ariel. There is so much to be grateful for: financial success and promise of retirement, a rich and rewarding family life. Told you. See, you have four cards which are basically pentacles, and it's telling me whatever you are going to do is going to be financially fulfilling. You are walking towards financial stability, financial success, and all these things are going to come towards you. Let me pull one more card for you. And next card I have for you is the Ace of Michael. A wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Clear up communication problems with others. So guys, 100% you are going to definitely start something new. Something that has been bothering you is going to come to an end. For a lot of people, it could be start of a new job, signing up a new contract. It could also mean starting a relationship with a new person. A lot of you could finally be getting married. A lot of you could be finally starting investment of some kind. Either you'll start investing in cryptocurrency, you'll start investing in stocks, or you'll start investing in mutual funds. But I do see a lot of people, if you don't invest right now, at least you're going to start thinking about it, because I see finances seem to be your theme this month. And Let me know if this reading resonates or not, or what you are planning for this month.